Hey everyone. Today we're diving into how to add clear, formatted text in Power BI. While you can add simple text boxes to a report in Power BI desktop, this tutorial focuses on adding a dedicated, highly visible text tile to your dashboard in the Power BI service, perfect for critical headers and titles. Step 1. Start the text tile creation. In the upper menu ribbon of your dashboard, click Add Tile. From the options that appear, select Add Text Box, and then click Next. This launches the dedicated editor where we define our heading. Step 2. Enter and format text for impact. The text editor window opens, giving you granular control over your heading's appearance. 1. Type your desired title or heading directly into the text box. The content will serve as your main dashboard header. 2. Use the toolbar to carefully select your preferred font and precisely set the size. We recommend 40 or higher for key titles to ensure the header is prominent and easy to read. 3. Choose a contrasting color for the text. Aim for high contrast against your dashboard background for maximum visibility. Step 3. Positioning and finalizing the tile. Once the text is styled, we save and position the tile on the dashboard. 1. Click Apply to save the text tile. 2. Resize the tile by pulling its corners to fit your heading perfectly. You might need to move or resize existing elements to make space for the header and maintain a clean, organized, and professional layout. The text tile serves as the anchor point for your visual design. Adding a text tile is the key to creating clean section headers and improving the visual flow of your Power BI dashboard. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.